Hello my lovelies, how are you doing today? I am Romina Biancolodello and today we are going to be showing you how I get this beautiful color nail today and what it is, how the process is, and everything you need to know about these babies. Cool, 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 cool. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching the process of how I get these awesome gel nails from Mint Nail Studio. Please go follow them on Instagram and Facebook, and if you want to make a booking and you guys want to know more about them, that is where you'll find all the information. Details will be down below as well as the pop tag right over here. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the love and support, and I really can't wait to share with you some really awesome makeup looks after this. I've got some really cool stuff coming after I show you guys how I got my nose done and everything. It is gonna be epic. I'm actually pre-recording all of these videos because I won't be able to record when my nose is all banged up. You guys are going to be feeling sorry for me when I did it to myself. I'm only going to record makeup videos and beauty videos again when I'm all healed up and when I look pleasant again. Let me show you guys close up of my nails and show you guys what they look like.